Okay, next is the button controls. Okay, so buttons are there like this. The submit button is there, reset button is there. You can create your own buttons. Okay, you can create by using your own buttons. Just click me. So how do you create that? Input type is button. Okay, button is created. Value of that is click me. So that it is being written here. And this is another important thing, that is date picker is there here. Okay, input type is image, then source is some particular location that they can give. So output is going to appear here. Then there is a input type is submit. Submit button is there. Reset button is going to be there. Only thing is that you should write like this. Input type is reset in another tag. Okay. There is no end tag for the input. The slash is the end tag for that. Then one more important thing here. What you can create your own format. It's good format. It is going to be buttons. Everybody can create, but here is a email. So by seeing that image itself, we can understand that what exactly that button is going to do. Okay. So button you are creating reference email.html. Image you will be going to take it here. Okay. There is the image is email1.png. So this is the image. This is the image. Okay. And this is email. This is the text. Okay. So you are creating the H reference for that. H reference for this. So hence only you are having the hyperlink over there. Okay. Click on that, it takes to the exactly where that you should go. So under that you will be going to write it some more information about that. Okay. So there it takes to that particular email. So edit is there. You can edit operations are going to be done. So by using this button, okay, button type is submit. Okay. Image source is image. Edit is going to be there. So button, close the button. So by this is again the label. Okay. So here it is going to be there. Edit. Here's the option. See, one thing is that everybody can understand this edit, but still there's one small box and there's a I is being written. Okay, this cursor is there, so you can able to type. So that's what it is meaning. So you can create like this buttons. Okay. Now some specialized controls are going to there. Input type is hidden. The data is not going to be seen to anybody. So this is how we will going to write this one. So input type is hidden. Name is product ID. Value is so and so. So if you write like this, the data is not going to be seen to anybody in this. Okay. So if you even if you type it, it is not going to be visible. Input type is file. Okay, this is the file it is going to be. So one more method it is going to be. Form method is the post and this one. So here you will be going to choose the file to upload and download, and these things will be there, right? Choose the file for upload. So you will be going to choose the file by using this particular key. Okay. So you can choose a particular file from the folders, and that appears over here. Then click on that. It goes to the upload format. Okay. So input type is file is there. Okay. Upload format is going to be there here. Okay. So you can able to write the program for this, and you'll be going to get the. Okay. And one more important thing, which everybody, most of us, we have seen that number and ranges. Now, when you'll be going to give the feedback, or you can say that ratings about that particular items. Okay. So that time you'll be going to give the numbers. Okay. So here it is rate this particular photo. It is there. The photo is going to there. For that, what is the rating? So to make it like that, you should write like this. This is the input type is number. Minimum is 1. Maximum is 5. Means rate of this particular box. Okay. So what it is saying exactly? It is going to start with the 1 and maximum is 5. So you can give the rating in between that. Okay. And another thing is that here range. Okay. Range. So what happens in this is from selection from for example, you are going to buy the products, any products in the e-commerce site. Okay, so it is going to start with some number and ends with some number. So for example, 10,000 mobiles will be going to start. So you can start with this number. So here you can start with this number, ends with this number. So 0 to, it will be not 0, it is going to be minimum is going to be 1000 will be there. Okay, so 1000 to n number, that information is going to be present. Maximum, minimum and maximum that you should specify. Step is going to be in your hand, it is going to be, okay, whether it is going to be 1 or it is going to be thousands. So based on that you can have the range. So input type is range, minimum is 0, maximum is 10, step is 1. Name is happiness. So this is about that it has been written. So you can write it for anything that it is. So only thing is that here we are making the range. So the selection is going to be, if you are going to be in the e-commerce site, the value is going to be there for that product. Okay, it's going to start from 1000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees or whatever that it is. So those things that it is going to be written, min and max and steps. Fine. Yeah. So here is another one. Okay, another one, it is color. Yeah. Color palette, you will be able to see it. Already some ready-made colors are going to be available. Okay. Apart from that, you want some more colors. Okay, so that time you can able to have the colors. This the background color is black, it has been selected here. So you wanted to select different color, you can able to select it. So label is background color. Okay, input type is color, name is black. You have been specified here. Hence it is black color is selected here. You wanted to select background color. Yes, there is a possibility as there. So here is the arrow mark. So you can drag it here from this point to this point. Okay, and you can select first over here any one of the colors. Okay, so that particular color going to appear here from 0, that is white, to complete black. So the different colors of shades of that you will be going to get it. That number you will be going to get here. Actually, here only. Okay, you will be going to get that decimal number. Okay, so that you can able to copy and you can paste it, or otherwise once you selected here, that comes here. Okay, say okay, that will getting selected as a background color. Okay, got it? So this is for the color palette. And date and time, this is another important concept where you'll be going to get a lot of things in this. So here is a date picker, we can say. Okay, so once you select this one, date, so automatically that it selects month and year. Okay, so which month that you want. So usually the date is a default date, so it will be taken from whatever the system date is going to be there, current date, that it is going to appear. From that you wanted to select any dates, that you can able to select. So label is, for this is the date, the input type is date, directly you can write it. So only you wanted to fetch the time in that, it is possible. Input type is time, then input type is date and time, both you can able to select. Input type is date, time and local. Okay, so this information that you will be going to get it. So only thing is that what exactly that it is means date picker, this is called as a date picker, and you can just select this one and you can able to get it. Individually that around 8 points are there, 8 types are there for this. There are so many, you can say the input type is date. For that date, attributes are going to be more. Okay, those things I will be going to study in the examples. Okay, this is a month, it is going to be. Okay, month and week that you can able to select. Fine. Okay, so there are so many, as I said, so many things are there. Date, time, local, month, week. It is going to get specified over there. That's it. Okay. So individual also you can able to select this one. So here is a for the time, hours, minutes, seconds, split up way that you can able to get it. So date, month, time, date, month, year, you can split and you can get it. So this is also possible. Yeah, this is